Imagine waking up in a world where your most important decisions are aided by a superior intelligence. A world where cars navigate streets on their own, where diseases are diagnosed before symptoms even appear, and where human creativity is amplified by algorithms capable of composing symphonies and painting works of art. Sounds like science fiction? Actually, this future has already begun, and three technology giants are at the forefront of this revolution: OpenAI, Google, and Tesla. In the last 5 years, we've witnessed an unprecedented acceleration in artificial intelligence development. What was once the exclusive domain of scientists and researchers in isolated laboratories is now present in our smartphones, homes, and workplaces. But have you ever stopped to think about how we got here? And more importantly, where are we heading? The artificial intelligence journey began decades ago, but it was only recently that three revolutionary companies decided to go all in on this transformative technology. OpenAI, born with the mission of developing beneficial AI for all humanity. Google, with its vast empire of data and computational power. And Tesla, redefining not just transportation, but the very way machines learn from the real world. In 2022, OpenAI shook the world with ChatGPT, a conversational artificial intelligence that exceeded all expectations. But what few people know is that this was just the beginning. The company developed systems capable of learning by observing just 5 examples of a task, something we call few-shot learning. To put this in context, a child needs to see hundreds of dogs to learn to identify them consistently. OpenAI's models can do this with just a few images. Meanwhile, in Google's laboratories, a silent revolution was taking place. Google DeepMind, after unifying its AI divisions, achieved impressive milestones. Did you know that Google's artificial intelligence can predict the structure of virtually all proteins known to science? This represents a monumental advance for medicine, enabling the development of new drugs in a fraction of the traditional time. Tesla, in turn, is redefining our understanding of machine learning applied to the real world. The company's vehicles collect data from over 1 billion miles driven, an amount of information that would be impossible for any human team to process. Each Tesla on the road is like a tireless researcher, continuously learning and sharing that knowledge with the entire fleet. But what does this revolution mean for our society? The transformations are deeper than we can imagine. In the field of work, it's estimated that 85% of the professions that will exist in 2030 haven't been invented yet. Artificial intelligence is creating new opportunities in areas such as data analysis, AI ethics, and prompt engineering, terms that didn't even exist in the professional vocabulary 5 years ago. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As these companies advance in their research, crucial questions arise about privacy, ethics, and the future of work. How do we ensure that AI has developed in a way that benefits everyone? How do we preserve human autonomy in an increasingly automated world? Let's explore some practical examples of this revolution. In healthcare, AI systems can already detect skin cancer with greater accuracy than experienced dermatologists. In the legal field, algorithms analyze thousands of cases in seconds, identifying patterns and precedents that would take weeks for lawyers to find. OpenAI is at the forefront of AI democratization. Its language models not only understand and generate text but can also program, solve complex mathematical problems, and even create art. A single model can perform hundreds of different tasks, something unthinkable just a few years ago. Google, for its part, is applying AI to virtually every aspect of our digital lives. From optimizing routes in maps to predicting what we want to search for before we even type it, the company is building an ecosystem where AI works silently to make our lives more efficient. Tesla's vision goes beyond electric cars. Elon Musk often talks about the Tesla bot, a humanoid robot that could revolutionize physical work. Imagine a world where dangerous or repetitive tasks are performed by machines that learn and adapt like humans, but without the physical limitations of our bodies. In the next 5 years, we'll see even more impressive advances. OpenAI promises even more powerful and versatile models. Google is working on quantum computing, which could exponentially accelerate AI processing. Tesla continues to expand its vision of an autonomous and sustainable future. But what does this mean for you watching this video? First, it represents unprecedented opportunities. The democratization of AI means that tools once restricted to large corporations are now within everyone's reach. Small entrepreneurs can use AI to compete with giants. Artists can amplify their creativity. Students have access to tireless virtual tutors. How to prepare for this future? The answer lies in developing skills that machines cannot easily replicate: creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. AI will be a powerful tool, but the essence of what makes us human will continue to be our greatest differential. While OpenAI, Google, and Tesla continue pushing the boundaries of what's possible, it's up to us to reflect on how we want this future to be shaped. What kind of society do we want to build with these tools? How can we ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed fairly? The artificial intelligence revolution isn't just about technology. It's about reimagining human potential. It's about creating a future where machines don't replace us, but amplify us, allowing us to focus on what we do best: dreaming, creating, and innovating. And you, what do you think about this future that's unfolding? How do you imagine AI will impact your life in the coming years? Leave your comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content about technology and innovation. Hit the bell icon to not miss any updates about the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we build together. And with the power of artificial intelligence, the limits of what's possible are being redefined every day.